The Learn a Chinese Phrase video series was created to provide fun and useful Chinese idioms that learners can employ in everyday life. The theory is that when a phrase is fun or interesting, learners will want to remember it, and if they remember it, they'll not only use the phrase, but the words, and sometimes even the sentence structure within the phrase. Each video features a motivated learner and native or near-native speaker of Chinese. The two actors quickly introduce themselves and then present the targeted phrase, how it is used, and, on occasion, how it should not be used. The Chinese speaker models and repeats the phrase as it appears on the screen in both pinyin and Chinese characters. Learners are then invited to repeat it with the targeted phrase suddenly appearing against a black art card. The two actors then return to the screen, providing an additional phrase or explanation, or simply to sign off in a sometimes amusing way. Each video is designed to be approximately 2 minutes long, an amount of time we've determined to be just right to get our point across and sometimes provide a smile. Although Chinese offers few cognates to speakers of English, it does offer many compound words, so when someone learns the word for cow, niu, for example, they can more easily learn the words that contain niu, such as niu nai, milk, niu rou, beef, niu pi, leather. The Confucius Institute at Wayne State University has thus far produced more than 120 short videos spotlighting a variety of Chinese phrases, along with a corresponding learner's guide and supplementary videos. We also offer a free mobile application with 20 of these videos. The mobile app provides character practice, vocabulary flashcards, and sentence scrambles for ultimate reinforcement. The app can be downloaded free of charge for Apple and Android products by going to the App Store or Google Play. Simply search for Learn a Chinese Phrase, Wayne State, and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, you'll see a menu with names of videos in alphabetical order. Select a video by touching the name. The next menu displays 6 features: the skit video, the supplementary video, the learner's guide, character training, vocabulary flashcards, and sentence scrambles. The last 3 are unique to the mobile app. Let's look at the character trainer. Character practice allows the learner to practice writing key characters from the phrase. Please note that all of these characters are color-coded according to tone. First tones are written in blue. Second tones are written in green. Third tones are written in purple, and fourth tones are written in red. For visual learners especially, we hope this color coding will improve their recall of tones. To practice, select a character and it will come to the forefront of the screen. You may then trace over it with your finger. The program requires correct stroke order, so any incorrect stroke will not be accepted. Upon completing the character using correct stroke order, it will flash and then disappear. Notice the icons at the bottom of the screen. Touch the question mark for a small hint about the stroke order. Touch the E icon to see an entire stroke. Touch the Quan button to see the stroke order for the entire character. Now, from the individual phrase menu, touch the Vocabulary Flashcard tab. Vocabulary flashcards provide the learner with an opportunity to test his or her recognition of words introduced in the supplementary lesson and/or supplementary learner's guide. The vocabulary flashcards test both the pronunciation and meaning of each given character. Let's look at a character. The first test is for the learner to identify the pinyin pronunciation. If you select correctly, you will then be asked to choose the correct English definition. If you are correct, you will move on to the next character. Should you select an incorrect pinyin, a screen will appear providing you with the correct answer. Likewise, if you select an incorrect definition, you will be provided with the correct answer. Press Continue to go on, or compounds for additional related words. Upon completing all flashcards for a given lesson, you will be given a final score based on the percentage of correct answers provided. Going back to the phrase menu, select Sentence Scramble. Sentence scrambles allow the learner to look at a sentence written completely in Chinese characters, to press the Scramble button, and then to arrange the words in their original order. A timer is set at the bottom of the screen to let learners monitor their progress. The timer function helps provide motivation for learners by allowing them to compete against themselves or against each other. The sentence scramble, while simple for native speakers, helps learners to improve recognition of Chinese characters while improving and reinforcing rules of syntax. We hope you find the Learn a Chinese Phrase series helpful in motivating your students and that you will find innovative ways to incorporate our resources in your classes. Should you have any suggestions for how to use or improve our content, please don't hesitate to contact us at ci@wayne.edu. Thank you for listening. 再见.